posted one YouTube Shorts video every day for 30 days and these are the results. Now what I need to do is actually quite simple. I need to pick a niche for the Shorts channel. After thinking deeply on which niche I should choose, I came up with anime shorts. Because a lot of people love anime and anime has a large fan base. I've seen that gets millions of views already, so it's already proven to go viral. But since anime has a large fan base, I can even go viral on the first video. I won't get bored when uploading the videos. Now that I know my niche, I can create a YouTube channel. The name I came up with was Anime Cuts. I thought this was pretty cool and gives off exactly what my channel is about. And for my channel design, I just choose the anime picture that I thought looked cool. First thing I have to do is research. I researched what things was already working within the anime niche. I can create content from pretty much anything you see here. And this is going to help me create videos every day for 30 days. After doing some research, I found two popular topics within the anime niche, and that is Naruto and One Piece. Considering Actual Speed already likes One Piece, that already makes it viral because he's talked about it before. I believe I can create good shorts using these topics. Now I have to download the videos. I seen some videos that I thought could perform well and downloaded them. So I uploaded my first short and it didn't do well at all. We got 12 views and YouTube only pushed our short out to 36 people, so this video definitely flopped. So I tried to make the future shorts better than the first one. So it's day 10 and things aren't really going as planned, but it's kind of good at the same time. So we got a video that did over 1,000 views and the rest of them all flopped. So in total we're looking at about just under 2,000 views. I mean, it's still progress considering it takes people years to grow the channel. So the video that did get any traction, it got us about 1 subscriber. Not bad, but I think I could do way better. But this is day 20 and I don't want to say that history repeated itself, but history repeated itself. Not only did most of the videos flop, but we still got the same amount, which was 1.3 thousand views from the last time, and this time we got 1.5 thousand. It was flop, 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 then viral video. Not exactly viral, but it got traction. If you take a look at the view durations, they're pretty terrible. This discouraged me, and so I kept posting. So it was day 25 when we got 3 videos that got some traction and the rest of them all flopped. It's kind of going upwards in the views, but it's also pretty bad as well. But it's getting better because last time we only had 1 video that got traction, and this time we get 3 videos that all get traction. I want the results to be way better, so we might have to try a different niche, but we'll just keep posting. Alright, so we're at the end of the 30-day challenge. You guys are probably like, what happened? Okay, so I think I got okay results within this 30 days. I think I could do a little bit better, or maybe it's just me that has high standard. Within a 30-day period, we received 11,700 views across all the shorts. We got 57 hours of watch time and we got 50 subscribers. I think the results are okay. I think I could do way better. So how did I get these views? Number 1, anime already has a fan base, so that drew their fan base to my video. So that increased the click-through rate, which made some of the videos get traction. Secondly is the consistency. So I was posting over and over for 30 days. YouTube seen it and they pushed my content out a little bit more. This channel does have a bit of potential, but I probably won't continue on with it. Question is, can you monetize this? The short answer is yes. YouTube announced that starting from 2023, they will now start monetizing all the shorts. You just need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. Getting 10 million views is not your only option. You could also use 4,000 as your second option to get monetized on YouTube. All you need is 1 shorts video to go viral, and then after that, your channel is good for the rest of its life. Because then YouTube starts promoting all of your shorts video at the same time. So no, I did not make any money from this channel because it's not monetized yet. We're definitely going to be trying this challenge again, so if you want to see the challenge, please don't forget to like and subscribe.